Here's my review of the Eat Camp chair sold on Amazon. I went through 400 pages of camp chairs and I wanted a high back chair, obviously a folding chair that's portable. I'm not a backpacker, so I'm not looking at ultralight, but I want something compact. And this Eat Camp chair it's 25 bucks, had some negative reviews, but I'm looking at the features on it and it's got the most bang for the buck. I'll let you decide if you can deal with the cons. Comes in this bag right here. I bought two of them. And it's all aluminum frame. Okay. So this is just like any other telescopic frame. It almost puts itself together. One thing you'll notice with this, and you'll see the other clones follow suit. It's interesting to watch Amazon evolution of products, because everything's made in China, just about. And everyone's clothing everyone else. But let me see if I got this in the shot here. Yep. You'll see that some of the other chairs, they have a plastic joint holder, whereas the new evolution it's all aluminum, and you don't have any plastic to break. And most of these aluminum parts are aircraft grade aluminum, so they're pretty robust. So that's the main chair stand. It also comes with a footrest. If you look on Amazon, look at that. This thing almost puts itself together. Put this aside. If you look on Amazon, some places are selling these footrests for 30 bucks alone. And this whole set was 25 bucks with the foot stand. This is the plastic joint holder I was talking about. I don't think it's going to be a problem on the footrest. This is telescopic and has a clamp, and it just bolts to, once you have the mesh on, it just bolts to that. And so the footrest, you just slide one end on, and this is basic stuff, guys. If you can't get this stuff on, you need to start working out. All right, and that clamps in like that. Okay, so to get the chair on, I noticed a lot of people are having problems, and not just this chair, but others, getting the poles onto the fabric. So the first time is going to be really hard, because the fabric hasn't stretched yet. A lot of these chairs, they're all the same. The fabric's tight. You're going to have to leave it set up for a couple of days or sit in it for a couple hours. And this fabric will stretch, and it's not going to be as hard to get on in successive tries. So we wonder what these are for, these little loops. You just put them onto the before you put the other end of the cover on. Just slip it on. And now your storage bag won't get dirty. Stick this in there. So if you buy any other of these champ chairs and it has these loops, that's what it's for. So see how I'm gripping this? And I'm just pulling, and then that's how easy it is. I mean, if you guys are having a tough time getting this installed, then you need to start working out. So the other thing is, this is adjustable. pull it all the way out like I just did. Clamp it into place. And now you can relax. One of the guys who was doing a review said this footrest cut into his calves. This footrest can be standalone. So you can, let me show it on this one. You don't have to attach it to the chair. You can just lay it like that. And there you go. Piece of cake. Okay. So don't think you have to have this attached to the chair. If you're a taller person, just spread it out. Get this out of the way. So one of the things that I noticed first getting in, and this goes back to the fabrics stretching, is, and the review showed this as well, this cutting into your sides. When I first got this, I complained it cut into my sides, and now it's not so bad. It's because the fabric stretched. But what I've done to the second one is I did a little modification. I suggest you let the fabric stretch before you try this, but this modification makes the chair so much more comfortable because then you can rock and you'll spread out. So let me put these back to back. See if the camera catches that. So you can see, let me move in closer. This one's shorter than this one. What I've done is taken a pipe cutter and I've removed about an inch off the top of this one. And now, when I sit in this one, let me move this camera back out. It's more, this doesn't cut into your sides as much, and you can rock in this more, and just more, it's way more comfortable. Also, the pillow, it's perfectly located at my head now, whereas on the original one, it was a little too, it wasn't at the proper placement. So I'm 5'8", 200 pounds. Also, it has a pocket here. So this is the best bang for the buck Amazon chair as far as what it comes with. It's 25 bucks. It's from Eat Camp. It comes with a foot stand. And if you know, it's pretty comfortable. You don't really need it, but for those of you that want it, hey, it's a freebie. It's got the updated frame design. When you're looking through 4,000 products, some of you guys don't, you know, if you're not mechanically inclined, you don't know anything about mechanics, a solid aluminum chair is better than the plastic joint frame chairs. And so this one, I'm hoping Eat Camp will watch this and just shorten these uprights an inch, and it makes the fabric a lot more comfortable than stock. So there you go, Eat Camp high back chair. It's got a integrated pillow, it's got a pocket, and it comes with a footrest. Thanks for watching.